Mama wakwaba wafreme ajua searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell on so for more news.
Papa or your truthful or your lie. Tenti yan fama Mahama or catch you so no na you dwen funu. No dwen funu mo medi yeso. Onipa sebi predia so wo be president ye di cocaine efa baby ono nko na efa ediko gu o man animu ase internationally obi a won kodi cocoa farmers animu keke amajero no wakoji ska wakoji bribe amenu nti House of Commons ye wo UK ni yago ni din wo se wo ye kronfo enanu stone boy ne sa akode no kobo O2 ye pepepa e de animu aboho ye pe baby a ye di poster bebo na Mahama akwaje the whole front row at the afa. Say Airbus corruption officer one. Sarkodie no mo abon nyom epesi ye promo 2 ewo UK. Na nke de be call UK for newspaper mu no. Ye duru ho ye say John Mahama beg front page. Na kon fan page ye kura won fan say ye nyonyam. Mahama kwaje front page sika waje 5 million euros and waje. 5 million euros and awajintino yeah the number front page. Stoneboy and Mudu, I say your former president has taken front page, so you people have to wait. Oh, Mama Yentiana Munin free or I see Debbie. Case way a big case. Former president president Udia Beshes ID we may sell it in Bibia. Last night, connection do NDC nimu into him so bar Ubenya baby. I said that is all. It's not about Ghana. Forget it, you can't lie to me. Me see who read the green book no, NDC for green book no. Green book na Kevin Taylor de no. So who read the green book ni wie? Who do road sector kekepo? Na o kind road ni wie? Na se wo NDC for bel fie no man krama ye nche isi o ma oboa. Chairman, wuni mu bi wo NDC ni mu. Na wuni mi so nipa kona ba, obenya baabi ahye. Enti na wo fight for that. Enye Ghana kanko. Because it was book of lies. Book of lies. A crime we are ye be kone ni ho. And I pension for farmers. Ye koye ni ho. Oh, when I ye cry near the e-pharmacy buy ye koye ni ho. Che mobile money interoperability. NDC for ne one more person more catch say woman e diaba na ya no mo ye no. Me say me. Listen. No, I'm like this. They should not even be deep. In 2016, we used to send money to Ghana. In 2016, we used to send money to Ghana. Who send the West? Any part he grab when I know mukra mobile phones are sebi. Omutumidi diska. Any part he. Na mukwatina ADB Western Union Hall ho. Ukwatina ho. Na what can say si camera. Ne sika kakra na ye debre wo no. What sign the bia fata edi akofie. Wanu ye udenti. What's not Toronto no munani? Yes, Achimo. Yes, meat spine. Yeah. Yari yes, dear wa no what to be na dear siwano. Chinchinga obewe. Enti sika kakra ofa. O boyfriend. Uni pebi de Sunday ono. Wedding ka bomukura ansa na wudu fie. This was in 2016. Stop lying, Ghanaians. That is why politicians take us for cheap. Because we condone their stupidity for them to lie to us. In 2016, now we could have mobile money. To me, send no kwa. Mumu bi mo de ka ko jamo ayisab ayisika ko jaka ne e dia ko mukurom e dia ko mansa be sabe mo nananom. Ye ka say NDC for nya sa mobile money interoperability way. Almost omo be gi ahe 1.2 billion dollars. That was what they were going to charge for mobile money interoperability. Keke. Over 4 billion Ghana cedis. Over 4 billion Ghana cedis just to get MTN to transfer money to Tigo to transfer to Airtel. Keke. That is all. And this is what they wanted to charge us. And then ya de no mana ya na online ya start here 2016 na me send this guy say ni say inti go say go for no kromu ni. What the hell is happening? Omo say go for no kra no omu nim de omo ye. Because Nimpefe said that was not the case in 2016. You know, you are aware. You are very much aware. Says I didn't in 2016. And so when Mahama be also on the buy now wo Ghana ni a what 2016 where who said the any be kopem sa do dan kwaku fa do be di ade. Was wo Mahama de any di on the kofa buy. Enya bayi. Enya bayi. Seriously, because I remember 2016 we used to send money to Ghana, and we know how you guys were receiving it. We know. Just say, "Adie bia MPP de bebe bia omo be kun etia." Nembo adie ne ye pe, and this na de buy. Hwe ebio me chiremu wa ha no bi ate ase. Passengers on the Ayalolo bus were using a contactless card to pay for their fares as early as 2016. Me pacho, last me bisa question we say Ayalolo no effectively no ran for how many years? And sana ye grounded some of the buses. First and foremost, I did a year piloting. Yes, munkoto 80 buses. Munim how many buses are NDC for Kotoye? Omukoto over 100 buses. Close to 200 buses na NDC for Kotoye. Said the Ebeya Womobeti Chubu. Said the Ebeya Womobeti Chubu. That is what they did. Also, they could top up MTM Momo or from authorized vendors. Ayalolo bus was successfully closed down by this government. First and foremost, Ayalolo bus didn't get closed down by this government because as far back as 2016, people were already complaining, saying this process was not properly thought through. Traffic near there na Ayalolo also. The fact say na sebe system one na mu use so no for only 3 lines. All right, the operational cost of Ayalolo was too much than what they were gaining. Obi a oni munyansa and obeye adwuma na waboka. So wo ka kire me say Ayalolo bus no free no past 5 ekosi 8 a.m. there busy. Name from 10 to enumere 4 na nkrofo be pon no esi okwa de na man you know. Enti bus no totally just you see this is the difference with NDC and MPP. NDC don't think and they think say obia kuta shallow mind said you kuta shallow mind and that is the problem. Okay, because you are doing a bus system one. It's only the peak times nepe. Okay? Over Canada, I say, yeah, your buses are used, you know. Say a peak timer, what they do is they increase the bus. And the buses say, we will use about 3-4 buses because a rush hour. And we will use those type of buses. You cut down on the cost, but you don't go and then buy so much buses that we don't need. Come and pack them. Next, you was 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 hours. It's you. 6 hours. Can you see what? And yeah, she copy say you be put adwuma. One more tia masa mani ade ever start this will be useful. But this is something NDC swears. Said they brought. First and foremost, no. Say Osha we are. This tap and go load Ayalolo card, we know it is not the same as their Ekufuado and Ebaumia Alonchino. Now